introduction, I just want to tell you the difference between traditional window cleaning and purified water window cleaning. So when you clean a window, generally there's 4 steps when you clean. One is you applicate. Number 2, squeegee the window. And the 3rd step is you wipe around the window. So you come in here and wipe around, and then the 4th step is you clean the windowsill. You normally use a different cloth, but for this example I'm using this cloth. So that'd be 4 steps. And so with purified water window cleaning, we have a pole that goes up carbon fiber. We can go up to 70 feet. Right here has a monofilament brush. This brush can get off spider webs and dirt. And in the middle there's boar's hair, so it has more an aggressive piece on it. So we use ultra purified water, where we take the minerals out of the water, and it dries clear. We can actually clean in rain with this technology. So what we do when we clean with purified water, we're putting water on the window, we're scrubbing the entire window. It's actually rinsing through this rinse bar as we're cleaning. So it's rinsing the entire window. As we go up and down, it's rinsing and knocking off the debris. The dirt is actually attracted to the purified water. It's actually magnetically attracted to it, and it rinses off. And so instead of these 4 steps, we basically have 2 steps: washing, and then this will dry clear. All these spots will dry clear, and so we can clean really high windows without having to go really high. So if you have a tall building that needs purified water and has hard to reach areas and areas where lifts won't even go, call Squeegee Clean. Thank you.